Question number 8 word problem. Question number 1, if one pencil costs rupees 5, then how much it costs for 9 pencils? Write here solution. Write here places, ones, tens, hundreds. Draw one box for carryover. Then here we will write number. Then here again we have to draw box for product and put here multiplication sign. First we will read the question again. If one pencil costs rupees 5, then how much it costs for 9 pencils? So number are in the question itself. If one pencil costs rupees 5, so 5 is our first number. Write here 5, put here arrow mark, write cost of one pencil. What is 5? Cost of one pencil. Then how much it costs for 9 pencils? So we have to find the 9 pencils cost. So write here 9. Our second number is 9. Put here arrow mark, number of pencils. 9 is what? Number of pencils. So we have to find out the cost of 9 pencils. If one pencil cost 5, then how much it costs for 9 pencils? So what we will do? We will count 5 for 9 times, like 5 plus 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 5. It is very long process and maybe we will get the false answer. So what we will do? We will multiply it. 5 multiply by 9 to get the answer directly and in easiest method. Now multiplication definition is, multiplication is a repeated addition. So instead of adding, we will multiply it. So we will get our answer soon. So 5 multiply by 9, we will write here. Now 9 5s are 45. So 45 is 2-digit number. 5 is at 1's place. This 4 is at 10's place. 9 5s are 45. So 5 is at 1's place. Write here 5 is under 1's place. Now 4 is at 10's place. So write 4 under 10's place. Now 9 is here. No number to multiply with, so we will write 4 as it is. So product is 45. Put here arrow mark and write cost of 9 pencils. Now here we have to put therefore sign. And this statement, last statement, is always there in the question's last sentence. You have to see the last sentence and write it here. Now how much it cost for 9 pencils? The statement always starts from it, their, they, he or she. Here in this question it starts from it. It cost rupees 45 for 9 pencils as it is. You have to write the as it is questions sentence, last sentence. It costs for 9 pencils. Here you will write it costs rupees 45 for 9 pencils. Now look at here. This symbol is of money, rupees. Now first we were writing like RS for rupees symbol. Now India government has changed the rupees symbol, like equal to you have to write and write raw, or write raw and put one line horizontally at top of it and again draw one line horizontally. This is symbol of rupees. Okay. Now question number 2. If one t-shirt costs rupees 300, then how much it cost for 3 t-shirt? If one t-shirt costs rupees 300, then how much for 3 t-shirt? We have to find 3 t-shirts cost. Write here solution. Write here ones, tens, hundreds. Place value. Draw one box for carryover and write 300 cost of one t-shirt. Then 3 t-shirt. The number of t-shirt 3. Now we have to multiply it. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. Here again put arrow mark and write cost of 3 t-shirts. We got our answer. Now put here therefore sign. Look at the last sentence of the question. Then how much it cost for 3 t-shirt? It is there. It costs dash for 3 t-shirt. So it cost rupees 900 for 3 t-shirts. Okay. Now question number 3. If one box has 6 crayons, then how many crayons are there in 8 such boxes? If one box, here is example is given. If one box has 3 crayons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then how many crayons are there in such 8 boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So it is very hard to count 6 for 8 times. So instead of counting 6 for 8 times, we will multiply 6 with 8. Then we will get our answer easily. Okay. Now the definition for multiplication is a repeated addition. So 6 8s are, we will find out here. Solution first we will write here. Multiplication ground. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here draw one box for carryover. Now what is our question? If one box has 6 crayons. So write here 6. What is 6? Crayons in one box. Now how many crayons are there in 8 such boxes? So we have to find out in 8 boxes how many crayons are there. So write here the second number 8, number of boxes. Now we have to multiply 6 with 8. 8 6 are 48. So 8 is at ones place. So write here 8. Now 4 carry over. Now no number is there to multiply. So write 4 as it is. Now put here therefore symbol. Now then there are, here look at the last sentence of the question. Then how many crayons are there in 8 such boxes? We will start from there. Put this R this side. There are 48. Our answer 48 crayons in 8 boxes. There are 48 crayons in 8 boxes. Okay. Question number 4. If one book costs rupees 45, then how much it cost for 8 books? Again we have to write here solution. 1s, 10s, 100. Put one box here for carryover. If one book costs rupees 45, so write here 45. Put arrow mark here. Cost for one book. Now how much it costs for 8 books? Second number is 8. So write here 8. Put here multiplication sign. Put here arrow. Number of books. 8 is number of books. So here we have to multiply 8 5s are 40. 40, so 0 under 1's place. 4 carry over at 10's place. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4. 33, 34, 35, 36. So 6 here and 3 carry over. Now no number is there to multiply. So 3 as it is. Now here we will put arrow mark and write cost for 8 books. Therefore sign. Now look at the last sentence of the question for statement. Then how much it costs for 8 books? It is here. So we have to start from here. It cost 360 rupees. 360 for 8 books. It cost as it is. It cost down. Now write this product here. Rupees 360 and last words for 8 books. For 8 books. Okay. Then look at the fifth question. If bus fare from Morbi to Rajkot is rupees 75, then how much will it cost for 8 persons? Now here solution. 1s, 10s, 100s place. Now what is the question? If bus fare from Morbi to Rajkot is rupees 75. 75. Okay. Bus fare for one person. Okay. Then how much will it cost for 8 persons? So here we will write 8, the second number from the question, and write number of persons. Here put here multiplication sign. Now 8 5s are, what is 8 5s are 40. So put here 0 under 1's place. 4 carry over at 10's place. 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 4, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 0 under tens place, 6 carry over at hundreds place. Now no number is there to multiply, so 6 as it is. Now put here arrow mark and write the statement cost for 8 persons. Now we'll get the closing statement from the question's last sentence. Then how much will it cost for 8 person? We will start from 8. It cost rupees 600 for 8 persons. It costs rupees 600 for 8 persons. Okay. Now in exam, when this type of question is asked, you have to write solution, you have to draw this multiplication ground, you have to mention each sentence here, what this number is of and what this number is of. You have to put here arrow mark and you have to write the sentence from the question. Then the last statement you have to write from the question's last sentence. Okay, statement is always there in the question, no need to overthink. This last sentence, statement sentence, is in the question itself. Okay, and this type of question is of 3 marks, this solution is of 2 marks, and this statement is of 1 mark. So total marks for one word problem is 3 marks.